We're going to see what's inside of a praying mantis egg sac. We've had this one for a while and it isn't hatching, so...
We're well past the point of where it should have hatched.
Yeah. It should have hatched back in May, June.
At the latest. Don't hear anything. But it's important to note that female praying mantises will still lay an egg sac if they haven't had a mate, but nothing will hatch.
Yeah.
It's very thick and difficult to cut through.
Yeah, sometimes females will lay an egg sac even if they don't have a mate. It's just their instinct.
Right. Let's see if we can cut it from the bottom, which is where the vents are and where they would come out of. Can you see it?
Doesn't look like there would ever be anything. There's nothing in it.
That appears to be empty.
Which is probably why it didn't hatch.
Definitely appears to be empty. Very foamy.
Sounds very foamy. Like if you took a scissor and use it to cut the foam, like what it would sound like.
Yeah, it looks like it.